loves, welcome back to my channel. So today your girl's doing a quick wig review on this wig that you see right here. So if you guys want all the deets, then make sure you stay tuned. Okay loves, so this unit is courtesy of SAMS Beauty. They were kind enough to send your girl a few different units, and so actually you guys should have saw a different unit courtesy of them. Maybe like the last two videos even might be courtesy of SAMS Beauty. At the beginning of this video, when I start to customize it, you'll actually see one of the units. It'll be like a icy lavender color. But yeah, this is another unit that I received from them, and so this unit is from OUTRE. It is from their Color Bomb collection. It's a premium synthetic fiber wig. It's in the style Celeste, and it's in the color OM Rose Dip. So that's what the color is. This is what the stock card looks like. I'm actually pretty jealous, or upset, because I actually wanted to try this color out right here, which is OM Coral Flame. However, it was not in stock, so I did have to go with Rose Dip. Pink is my favorite color, and I feel like this unit would have been perfect for the month of October, since it was Breast Cancer Awareness Month. But hey, we're just gonna go ahead and try it on right now. But other than that, the unit does come in different colors if you guys do want to try it out in different colors. Hopefully by the time you guys see this video, the OM Coral Flame color will be back in stock. SAMS Beauty, get on that. So yeah, pretty much this video is going to be a very quick video. This unit is pretty self-explanatory. It did come with baby hair, so if you guys want to customize the baby hairs, you can. It does come with a lace part, so you can wear it with or without a wig grip. So yeah, this unit is of a wavy pattern, so you can either decide to keep the natural pattern that it came with, probably more so like this, or it brushed out. Maybe hers is actually brushed out, but either way I chose to comb or brush mine out. But ultimately I do like the fact that it has dark roots, and it has dark roots all the way throughout, and then it goes into a light pink, into a dark pink, and so a hot pink. So overall I don't have any complaints about this unit. I will say that I do think it sheds a little bit, but that could possibly be because I chose to cut the lace while the unit was on my head, and I don't typically do that, so it could have been that I was just very close to the hairline. But either way, it's not too excessive. So if you guys would like to see this unit up close and personal, make sure you guys keep watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys are thinking, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.